Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes someone who is extremely greedy or has an insatiable desire for wealth. Avaricious. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is Avaricious. Let's break it down. First, we have AV, which sounds like AV in Avatar. Next is which sounds like the U in sofa. Then comes rish, which rhymes with fish and is the stressed syllable. Finally, sounds like us in bus. Now, let's put it all together. Avaricious. Try repeating after me, avaricious. Now a little faster, avaricious. And at full speed, avaricious. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Avaricious refers to someone who has a strong desire for wealth or material gain, often to an excessive or greedy degree. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce avaricious and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.